To another primetime news follow-up, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett has revealed that the review of the $17 million budget for a new welcome sign for Montego Bay St. James shows the money allocated to do the work is not enough. Mr. Bartlett made the revelation after announcing that the review has been completed.
From the report, which indicated, one, that in their opinion, the estimates for the wall cladding is low, and two, that the estimates for lettering and signage was insufficient for the execution of the work. In addition, Davidson and Hannah were able to confirm the accuracy of the quantities. With respect to the overall estimate of the construction costs generated by the TPDCO, it was evident that the sum was insufficient for the execution of the works.
He's, however, assuring the public that the contingency sum of $3 million will be reduced, and the permanent secretary in the Tourism Ministry will be overseeing the project to ensure it is done within the budget. Mr. Bartlett ordered the review following public backlash that $17 million is too much for a sign.
We're going to make this report public because, in the interest of transparency, we want everyone to appreciate that under my watch, every dollar that is spent on any government project must be fully accounted for and must reflect value.
Our top story this evening, government and opposition to meet over states of emergency both meet with stakeholders and come to different conclusions about their continuation. Still ahead, it's not enough. Review shows $17 million cost for Montego Bay sign insufficient. And in business news, taking advice. Customs agency seeks help to deal with emerging ganja industry. We'll be right back.